Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see the measuring of the line segment. Practice 2. Estimate the lengths of these line segments and then measure them using a ruler. We have to estimate from here to here. I estimate this is 4 centimeter. Okay, let's check. And this is about 7 centimeter. This is about 5 centimeter. Let's check. Okay. Oh, this is 3 centimeter. And this is 7.5, and this is 5.5. Understood? Next, write down the lengths of these objects. How much? 2 centimeter. This is 9 centimeter. This is 12 centimeter. And measure the line segment using a ruler. Ruler, we have to measure from 0 to here. This is 4 centimeter. And this is 6 centimeter. And this is 6 centimeter. This is 4.5 centimeter. Okay. Next, look how Shobha has drawn a line segment and calculated its length at 5 centimeter. Is she right? If not, then what mistake has she made? Discuss with your classmates. So, is it right? No. So, she is wrong. Why? Because when we measure a line, it will start from 0. 0 to we measure the length. It starts from 0. She has to calculate it, the distance from 0 centimeter. Okay, from the ruler, not in the middle. Okay. So this is about the measuring the line segment. Okay. Next, drawing a line segment. So now, how to draw a line segment? Okay. So, draw a line segment of the following given lengths, 11 centimeter. Take a ruler and you have to measure 11 centimeter. So, from 0 to till 11 we have to see, from 0 to till 11. Okay, we have to make one line. So this is, and this is 1 point, this is 1 point, A, B. Okay, 11 centimeter, 11 centimeter, A, B. Understood? Next, 6 centimeter. 6, from 0 to 6. Here, A, B. Okay, this is 6 centimeter. Next, 7 centimeter. From 0 to 7. Oh, sorry. 7. A, B. 7 centimeter. Next 12 centimeter. 0 to 12. A, B. 12 centimeter. Next 5 centimeter. 0 to 5. A, B. Okay. So how to write the line segment? So this is A, B, like this. This is line segment. Okay. This is about the drawing of the line segment. Okay. Tomorrow we will see the closed and open figures. Okay. Thank you.